Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Pictory.ai watermark. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just created a video using Pictory.ai, and as you can see, I got a watermark here, and I'm going to show you guys how we can remove this Pictory.ai watermark. If you want to remove a watermark, you can go to your browser, and then I recommend you to search for watermark remover, and then there will be some websites you can use to remove your watermark, but I recommend you to visit this one, online video cutter. We can click on the website and then click open file, and you can import the video you have created with Pictory.ai, and this is my video guys. Okay, if we want to remove watermark, we need just like the watermark area like this. Okay, and you're going to click on apply, and as you can see guys that the watermark has been removed from my video, and I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove Pictory.ai watermark for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.